Video to fix no audio in Steam Remote Play and Remote Play together. And if you can't hear game sound while streaming, this video is for you. Are you frustrated because every time you use Steam Remote Play, the video works but the audio is missing, muffled, or delayed, making it impossible to enjoy co-op sessions with friends? This usually happens because of audio driver conflicts, wrong Steam settings, or issues with your PC's default playback device. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of technical steps, asking you to reinstall Steam or Windows, which wastes time and may not work. On Rexist, I focus on simple and safe fixes. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that restores audio in Remote Play without reinstalling anything. This method updates and repairs drivers, configures Steam audio settings correctly, and ensures your playback device is selected so all game sound streams perfectly. It works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, supports both Remote Play and Remote Play together, and takes only a few minutes. If Steam Remote Play keeps giving you no audio, this fix will solve it fast. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click and setting, comment below and let Rexis know, and I will guide you until your audio works perfectly in Remote Play.